What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, I am going to show you how you can recover Facebook password without email and phone number. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. Alright, so the first thing that you have to do is open up a web browser. So in this case, I'm going to use Chrome on my device. And from here, you can go to facebook.com/help. So this is going to take you to Facebook's help center. Now, once you're here, you can just tap on the three dots on the top right corner. And here, tap on managing your account. Now, once you're here, tap on login and password. And tap on fix a login problem. Alright, so once you're here, tap on recover your Facebook account if you can't log in. And from here, you can scroll down, and under was this helpful, you can simply go to no. And from this one, tap on other. And this is going to open a new dialog box. Now here, you can tap on this dialog box and start explaining what happened to your account and why you can't access it. You may also need to provide information such as your email to prove that you are the actual account owner. You may also need to provide your ID. So after that, just go ahead and tap on submit, and Facebook team is going to be in touch with you within 48 hours. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.